In this video, we will see how to install the GWS Connector service on a Windows machine. For supported environments, check the release notes shipped with the distribution package. In the distribution package zip file, go to the GWS Connector Service folder that contains the document and installation media as shown in the video. Extract the documentation.zip file to view the release notes. To install it, create a new installation folder Honeywell GWS Connector Service under C drive. You can choose any path or folder name. From the distribution package, unzip the Honeywell GWS Connector Service version.zip file content into the newly created directory. Open the Windows command prompt with Run as admin option. Redirect to installation folder. Sample command, cdc:/Honeywell GWS Connector Service. Run command, honeywell.gwsconnector.exe --install. After successful installation, open Windows Services panel with admin privilege. Find a service with name Honeywell GWS Connector. You can change the default settings of service as per your need. Start the Honeywell GWS Connector service. Open the Windows Event Viewer logs to check the logs. Windows Logs, Application. Look for the source Honeywell GWS Connector, and check corresponding events after service start. It comes with the default 30 days trial period. To request a permanent license, look for a warning license event to retrieve the hardware ID, as shown in the video. Note down the hardware ID. It is very important and may be difficult to retrieve after 30 days. Send a GWS Connector Service license request to customer service for this hardware ID. Once you have received the long-term license, place the license file in the installation directory, C, Honeywell GWS Connector Service, and restart the Honeywell GWS Connector Service. GWS Connector configuration is derived from file honeywell.gwsconnector.exe.config under installation directory. Configuration of this file is explained in separate video for respective plugins. Thank you for watching.